So my wife is infamous for saying all the time, the struggle is real. When it came to last Wednesday, there was so much going on that nothing could be further from the truth. Between a missing dog that I retrieved on my property to my graphics card finally giving out just because it didn't agree with a BIOS flash that I recently did, and having to get a new graphics card, and at the same time having a Windows update that was associated with my old graphics card that had already downloaded it and was installing during this whole process. It was quite the hassle. And then on top of all of that, the memory upgrade, because again, if I'm going to spend a couple of $1,000s on a video card upgrade, might as well max out my RAM, right? And so I already have two 48 gigabyte sticks of the same make and model and frequency as the one that I purchased to make it an even 128 gigabytes, using all four stick channels. And did not make that motherboard happy. So I had to take them out, do an RMA process, because after reviewing all of the motherboard documentation and troubleshooting, it really did seem to just appear like the motherboard couldn't do two 48s and two 16s, making 128. So I didn't need the full 128 gigabytes that the motherboard could actually handle, but it would have been nice to invest the extra $90 considering the thousands of dollars I just put into this computer. Okay, and with that said, at least I can give you a little sneak peek of some of that struggle when it came to me initially trying to install all of this. Although you don't get to see me uninstalling the RAM, you get the gist of what I had to do. The graphics card now works great, so hopefully you can learn a little bit from my own struggle, the ins and outs, the do's and don'ts when it comes to piecemealing your own PC, right? All right, enjoy.